Hey, what's up, y'all? It's popping this D. Watch this video by LaRonda. This is zodiac signs. Zodiac signs or whatever. So we're going to see how different zodiac signs are. You know, I am a Leo, you know, so Leos are the best sign, of course. Everybody knows that. So we're going to see how these other zodiac signs act or whatever. I really like these memoji compilations. They're really funny. So let's hop into this one. Let's watch.
I like that. Yeah, all right, you can go. Bye. Do you want me to stay? No, I'm good. Bye. Setting that mood and playing the right music is going to get you the best performance out of me. Like those candles, bitch. My tank is on F right now. You on E. You coming already? I'm not going for that lightweight stamina. You've gone 6 rounds. You done yet? No. You need some water? Kiss my neck first, then I'll kiss yours. Give me head, then I'll give you head. I don't care. Give and receive is law. Before we even start, rip off my clothes like a dog with a chew toy. I like it rough. I'm in my shell at first, but once I'm out of it, you'll be terrified about how freaky I can get. Argue with me before sex. Oh, fuck yeah, now I'm horny. After that, enjoy this porn star quality action I'm about to bless you with. I can't read your mind. Tell me what you want. Where, when, and how long. Help me help you. Don't like surprises, I'll punch you in the head. It's not hard to turn me on. We could be holding hands at a restaurant. I'm gonna throw you on this table, and you gonna be my meal today. Before we start, I trust me, but I don't trust you. Show me those STD-free receipts. STD for me also stands for stop fucking talking, damn. Wow, that was great. When am I gonna see you again? In heaven, because that was trash. That's the only time you'll ever see me again. I like it real rough. WWE smash and pound. Choking, abuse me.
Not WWE. What the hell? Wait, let me go back and hear what they said about me, because it is not true. I don't like arguing.
Argue with me before sex. Oh, fuck yeah, now I'm horny. After that, enjoy this porn star quality action I'm about to bless you with.
Let me know what zodiac sign y'all are and if this is accurate. But yeah, let me know what y'all thought about the video. Let me know what other videos you want me to react to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!